Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. So this is my huge box which I got today morning and I wanted to share it with all of you that what all the things I have purchased recently from Crafters Corner. So one by one I will share all the products which I have purchased. So let's get started. And this is the silver mirror cardstock which I have ordered, and this comes in a pack of 10 sheets and it has beautiful glaze and shine. These cardstocks enhances the beauty of the project so much. Now the next thing is this beautiful Flourish paper called metallic Flourish paper, having 12 by 12 inches in size, and in one pack again you will get 10 sheets, and using this you can create beautiful projects for any festive season, any ethnic projects, envelopes, cards, 3D projects, so many things. And I will just share the texture. Can you see this? How gorgeous and metallic this is looking. I just love this texture so much. So this is about the Flourish paper. Now the next thing is fabric cardstock in pearl shade. Yes, this is the cardstock, but it is having the texture of fabric. I will just share it. I will open one sheet for you. It also comes in pack of 10 sheets. And can you see this? It feels like a satin cloth or any nice soft cloth, and you can create potly bags or any kind of pouches using this fabric cardstock. Then this is the premium white cardstock in 240 GSM. I usually use this cardstock for my card bases for my 3D projects. So I have ordered 2 packs of this premium white cardstock. I use this very much. And similarly I have also got 1 pack of smooth black cardstock. This also contains 10 sheets, and this is very useful to create scrapbooks or cards or any photo albums. Then this is the tropical cardstock value pack. It comes in a pack of 100 sheets and you will get loads of colors in this, total 20 colors, and each color you have 5 sheets. Can you see the palette? All the vibrant and basic shades to create your projects, envelopes, cards, mixed media projects, and many more things. So this is all about my cardstock shopping. Then this is the gray smooth chipboard which is having 600 GSM thickness, and I will just share it. So to create bases for the boxes or any 3D projects, I usually use mount boards, and this is also known as chipboard. It is nice and quite thick, and you can cut it easily. It is having 1 mm thickness approx, so you can cut it easily using scissors or trimmer. In one pack you will get 10 chipboards. Now this is the beautiful new release by Dress My Craft called Ikkat and Pattola papers. This is the set of 20 sheets, and one sheet measures 12 by 12 inches. So I will share all the patterns here which I got in this pack, and these are very vibrant and so beautiful for any festive decorative projects. The wedding season is also coming very soon, so you can make loads of projects using this, like envelopes, small packagings, small gift boxes, and cards, and so many things. See how beautiful and vibrant each and every paper. I just love each pattern so much. Very colorful. And each pattern you will get 2 sheets. And this is the last but not the least, beautiful Ikkat patterns. So this is all about the new variety of cardstocks. Then I have purchased some cardstock or pattern paper pack for Christmas related. So this is called Christmas Vibes cardstock or paper pack, and this is very helpful to create scrapbooks, cards or any layouts. This measures 12 by 12 inches in size, and total 24 sheets you will get of 12 designs, and these are perfect for Christmas projects. You can create loads of projects using these papers. And can you see how beautifully this is printed? Each and every paper has something different. Script background, some Christmas related flowers, some sentiments, some images. Very festive. See how gorgeous this is looking. You just need to cut this and simply you can create a quick card using these cardstocks. Very beautiful and attractive patterns. I love this white and red combination so much. So soon I will come up with loads of Christmas projects with you. So just stay tuned. And this is the beautiful blue paper. Then this is the polka dot red paper. And this is the scripted one in vintage style. And see, here is the last paper which has beautiful postcards. You can cut these small shapes to create small size cards or any tags. So this is all about Christmas vibes paper pack. Then I have also purchased the small size paper pack called Christmas bells in 6 by 6 inch size, and in this also you will get total 12 designs, and I'm quickly showing you all the papers patterns inside this paper pack as well. This is also made with lots of festive colors like greens, reds, pinks, so vibrant, to create small projects like small boxes, small cards, small layouts, some small mixed media projects. These small paper packs are very useful for those kind of things. And these are some small tags to create small cards or any gift tags. So this is about Christmas bells, and matching to these paper packs I have purchased these two packs of motif sheets or element sheets, and one is from Christmas bells collection and one is from Christmas vibes collection. So you will have loads of small elements or motifs. You just need to fussy cut this and it's ready to use. So many variety along with the sentiment in one pack. And also I have got this transfer me called Christmas bells. So you just need to fussy cut this and paste it wherever you want. Super easy to use transfers. Now the next thing, I got some more transfer me sheets of Ganesha print. This pack has lots of Ganesha designs and this is in metallic shade. You will have beautiful shine to your project. Also the metallic background pattern, and then this is the metallic sentiments in Transfer Me. This has all the sentiment related to every occasion, and you can see on backside what all sentiments it has. So this is all about the Transfer Me's. Then I purchased this Lotus hanging. This is very trendy nowadays, and you can create many more projects using this, like wall hangings or any decorative item, and it has beautiful velvet paper on backside and two holes so that you can make any wall hangings or door hangings using this. Very vibrant color. Then I also purchased these vibrant silk tussels in each color. Though we can create these tussels at home, but sometimes we are in hurry and we need to complete our project or any order on time. So these are very handy to use to create any latkans, to create danglers. These are so vibrant and very nice variety of colors. So I have purchased total 8 shades in these tussels. Then next thing I got this golden hanging tussels. These are ready tussels and you can attach this with any hanging, or you can create charms, you can decorate your scrapbooks, you can create small boxes for the opening and closing. You can add these kind of golden hangings with the ribbons. So there are lots of ideas you can create with these kind of things, and this has very nice shine and beautiful look. So I have purchased 2 pack of the same golden hangings. Okay, now the next thing I have purchased is this small size ball beads. This bead has small ball designs all around this, and this is white, pearl white in color, and in one pack you will approx get I think 50 or 100 beads. So this is the tiny miny decorative things. Then I have also purchased these keychain rings. I love to make different kind of keychains, and in one pack you will get 5 keychains. So I bought 2 packs of golden, 2 packs of silver keychains, and these are simple rings without the chain. So just to make some hangings for door or to decorate the wall hangings, you need some small size rings. So that's why I have taken that. And this is the stone which is very useful to decorate the flower centers. Usually I decorate my flowers using pollens or flower pearls, but sometimes these kind of diamond studs also looks nice on your projects, and this is having the base as well. So if you want to fix these diamonds to the base, you can do that, or you can directly use those diamonds. And then I have got these styrofoam buds in small size. I will create some sparkle cherries using this to decorate my floral projects. Then this is the small size of silver foil. This is very tiny but having 1 meter length, and this is called silver foil. So to create foiling effect, this is very useful. Now, no craft haul is complete without die shopping. So these are my beautiful new purchase of dies called Lotus flower and buds. This is really very beautiful. I will sure make one project soon with this. Then I got this vintage hangers dies. This is the set of 5 dies, and you can create tiny projects using these cute hangers. Then third die I got is this hello tag die. So to create the gift tags, you can use this die, and you can also separate the word hello from this to decorate your cards or any kind of project. So this is all about my dies. Then along with my shopping, I got this huge bunch of products as a freebie. Yes, these are absolutely free. I got this as a gift from Crafters Corner, as a treat, as a Diwali treat, and I will just share what all things I have got inside this free gift. So this is the first thing. These are some foam or rubber alphabets. These are very flexible, and each letter has some name like S shameless, then E for extraordinary, J for joyful. So these are super trendy and super colorful. You can make lots of fun projects using this. Then I got these candy bows. These are from Bubblegum Accessories by Dress My Craft, and these are some shaker slices in cupcake shape. These are so cute to make shaker projects. Then I got these 2 inks from Studio in grey color and in green color. These are pigmented inks. Then the huge pack of cup sequences in red family. You will get matte, shiny and the transparent sequences. Then this is the 6x6 paper pack having lots of pastel shades and floral prints into this. And each sheet you will have 5 designs. Then I got this cloud corner punch. I will just show you how it looks. You just need to pass one paper from the corner of this punch. Just punch it and you will have this design. So in 4 corners you have to punch it, and then you can tuck any photographs into these slots, or you can just decorate all the corners of your project using this kind of punch. And from back side you can remove the trash as well. So this is the beautiful gift by Crafters Corner. And then next thing is these 2 transformees of these fish pattern and rooster pattern. And then I got this assorted pack of some pattern papers. So I will just share these papers with you. These are from different paper packs, and they have mixed lots of variety into one pack. That's why this is called assorted pack, and having nice variety of this. So this is all about my craft haul for today, and along with complete order I got this small piece of transformee with 2 Alpenliebe chocolates as a free gift. So if you order for 100 rupees also, you will get this small transformee and 2 chocolates each time with your shopping. So that's it for today, and hope you enjoyed my video. I will come soon with lots of projects using these products. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.